Hi, I'm Brian Richards. Exhibiting at trade shows? Is securing quality meetings with hot prospects your biggest challenge? Don't be one of the 85% who struggle. Have your appointments pre-arranged for you. Companies traditionally allocate 14% of their marketing budgets to in-person trade shows, conferences and events. This money is spent mainly on floor space, fancy booths, displays and travel. Very few exhibitors give any thought or dollars to lead generation in the month or two prior to the trade show arriving. Almost 50% of trade show attendees are reported as intending to purchase a product or service from an exhibit. You could be establishing a warmer connection with your ideal prospects at the earliest opportunity, not just waiting and hoping to grab them as they walk past your booth. You now have access to a unique solution. Introducing pre-event appointment setting campaigns. The world's first and only trade show lead generation system that aims to lock in at least 20 of your appointments with top decision makers weeks in advance of the event. Your sales pipeline will be dramatically progressed. Your event will be transformed into a sequence of high-level negotiations and lined-up deals. Don't wait for the doors to open to get things started like everyone else. That is too late. Click the link in the description below to see how one trade show exhibitor was able to lock in 25 meetings in just 3 weeks and dramatically boost his trade show ROI using this new approach.